In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get directions to a device using Find My and Apple Maps. This is perfect when you want quick turn-by-turn guidance to a phone, tablet, or other Apple device linked to your account or shared with you. I'll walk you through the process and explain what you'll see on screen so everything feels simple and predictable. Start by opening the Find My app on your iPhone or iPad. You'll recognize it by the green radar-style icon. When the app opens, look to the bottom of the screen and tap Devices. This tab lists all devices associated with your Apple ID or those that have been shared with you. You'll also see a map preview at the top, showing where those devices are located. Next, tap the name of the device you want directions to. When you select it, Find My will center the map on that device's location and show details like its model, battery indicator, and the time its location was last updated. If the device recently moved, the timestamp helps you understand how current the location is. Even if the device is offline, Find My can display the last known position, which is often enough to get you where you need to go. Now tap Directions. This button appears in the panel for the selected device. As soon as you tap it, Apple Maps opens automatically and loads a route to that device's location. You'll typically see a preview map, the estimated travel time, and the route line. This is your chance to quickly confirm the destination pin looks right on the map. If the device is in a large building or complex, keep in mind that the pin shows its general location, and Maps will guide you to the nearest mapped point. To start navigating, tap Go. Apple Maps will begin turn-by-turn guidance right away with voice prompts, lane suggestions where available, and automatic rerouting if you take a different turn. If you're traveling on foot or by car, Maps will adapt the route accordingly and keep the destination set to the device's location. As the device updates its position, your route may adjust to match, keeping you on track. That's all there is to it. Open Find My, choose Devices, select the device, tap Directions, let Apple Maps open, and tap Go to begin navigation. With these steps, you can quickly and confidently get to your device's location using the tools built right into your Apple device.